Hey, how's it going, everybody? Philly P here at Blackjack Fireworks. They're getting ready to close, so I'm trying to make this video as quick as I can. Just kind of go over the prices. Sorry about the camera if it's like focusing in and out. If it's not the mic, it's another thing, right? So I kind of just hover around. I think for the red tags, it's buy one, get two. And I'm not sure if you can mix and match. But yeah, let me go start at let's see where we're at. Let's do there's no abs. So 94. There we go. Uncle Sam. Oh, Wacky Tobacco. I like this one. 149. I think that's for a single though. Drone attack. 129. Sweet spot. Highfalutin. 199 for three of them. I believe they have wholesale here.
I need you to sign this one.
So let's see their canister shells. Yeah, let's see what we got. Red zone. Oh, let's see the price. It's probably on the other side actually. So single price 149. 134. Like Rowler shells 159. Night Monster 144. Brave New World 120. Smoke and Mirrors. Picked up a case of these for that price.
Did you let them know?
No, well, asking if I could record. No, they could tell me not to. 24. Yeah, Desiree just called right now. She's dropping off stuff for Carly tomorrow. Yeah. So 119. Yeah, something's definitely up with your focus. You keep focusing in and out on your phone. The Shiki Blasa. I think these are singles prices too. These are at Moapa. I don't know if you remember, I was getting them 2 for 40. That was last year though. Pure Evil, 3 of them for $100. Let's go real quick over the artillery shells. I'm not a big fan of the Alien brand. Irish Legend, 3 for $100. Saturn Missiles. Probably head over to Red Apple Fireworks while I'm here too. See what they got. I really want to pick up maybe something from Happy Family. $74. By the way, the whole thing from top to bottom is all the same, so I'm just kind of staying in the top, showing you guys bling bling. Just from last year, the prices have really changed. Bling bling, I got a case last year at Red Apple for $106 for 12 of them. $89. $84 for the Slam. Current events, $117 for 3 of them. The Roman candles, barrages, 102. Frog. Little cones, $5.99 each. They have different numbers, 8 inch, $12.99. 12-inch. 25 bucks. Roman candles. 42 bucks. For sure, this video with the music is going to be copyrighted. Did they light up this color? Nah, I don't know. Let's buy them for me for 30 bucks, and we'll find out. I'm kidding. Don't look at me like that. See, for the gender reveal, we could have just done something like this, since we are having a girl. Some ground balloons. $189. This is novelty stuff. Yeah. Oh, these are always fun. Ain't really too much over here. Just like little party kid stuff. Wedding sparklers. $6.99. Go look at the assortments of the 500-gram kits. This is the Safe and Sane. King of the Streets. They also have wholesale here, guys. Back here. But I think they're closed. So, neon jellyfish is a great one. Oh, is it what? Oh, here's a wet floor sign. Alright, let me just hit these. Let me go around this way. I already went hit this car. Now let's go this way. So, One Bad Mother-in-Law. So, King of the Streets. $3.69. Judgment Day. $5.29. Sounds pretty cool. A lot of cutting edge. I've never seen this assortment before. Night Power. Boomer. Cash is king. $2.79, guys. $1.59. No, I think these are buy one get one, or these are single prices. Trying to give you guys a little show of what's in the assortments. Then I'll go over the 500-gram cakes behind me, and then pretty much call it that. So that's about it. Old iron sights, $117. That is at prices. Quick Getaway, $109. I believe it's buy one get $109 for these. These are three. Just I'm a fan of Alien. I have not seen anything. Blonde Joke, $234. I'm a fan of Brothers, but I haven't seen anything from Alien that really impresses me. Do you guys know about anything in the comments? Let me know. Rolled Gold. I've always wanted to see this one in person. I've never seen it. It's $184 for 3 of them. But shenanigans. I feel bad. This guy's mopping. I think he just did this aisle too. This is a big one right here. I've never seen this one either. Speed Trap. Yeah, guys, ooh, it wasn't me. I'm gonna wrap this one up, guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. I do all kinds of walkthroughs. And let me know in the comments what you guys think. Oh, make sure to light up that like button. All right.